Okay, y'all lied to me. Y'all seriously lied to me. I specifically don't grow tomatoes for one specific reason, because y'all talk about the tomato hornworm. What the heck is this on my pepper plant? Oh, Jesus Lord. Oh my God. Does spraying it with dish soap help? Does spraying this joker with dish soap help? Cause this is, oh my goodness. Yeah. This is why I do not want to grow tomatoes. Well, I guess since you're here, sir, uninvited, I guess now I don't have a choice. I can't grow tomatoes now. Jesus Lord. Where the heck did you come from? And were you always here is what I want to know. Because this plant has been going through it. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Gardening life. Y'all, for real, I don't have chickens or any. I don't have chickens or anything. Does this thing? Is it this soap gonna help? This thing is so big. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, hold on. Oh, you know what? Okay, I did see people. Okay, hold on. I did see people cut the leaf that he's on, because he is holding on tight as a mug, yo. Alright, okay. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. I'm sorry, y'all. I got y'all zoom way in. Hold on. Get off. He is holding on tight. Get off. You see? Alright. Do y'all think that this soap thing will work? Okay, Pepper Plant. Hopefully you'll be okay after this. I can't believe this. My first hornworm. Okay. Not gonna lie, I was actually curious to see what they look like. So now I see for myself what it looks like. Okay, now you gotta go. Because like I said, I don't have chickens or anything, but you gotta go. Alright, y'all. You gotta get rid of him. Sorry, you can't join this party.